They just have to do it on that side.
Such a big boy, you can even bend
Please remain seated, keeping your hands and feet inside the vehicle. Face forward and keep your hands
Are you insane? Get out of here! The curse, it's real! This whole place is a trap! He's after your soul! The Magi's here!
Silence! With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity. Serve me and savor for better pleasure. Shall be my beginning. Where you behold your fate, your destiny. Your souls are mine. Forfeit your souls! Death is only the beginning!
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of my favorite ride at Universal Studios, Florida. Such an incredible ride. The inside with the animatronics, the coaster, dark themed, everything around it is just so good. If you guys do have a ride that you want us to try to post, go ahead and leave your suggestion in the comments, whether it be shows, ideas, behind the scenes. I want to hear from you guys, so let us know in the comments what you want to see in the future for this channel. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.